As more print providers turn to digital presses for shorter runs and variable data jobs, there's a lot of buzz about format size. Based on their experiences with offset and digital toner, many in the industry have been conditioned to believe that B2 digital presses with bigger sheets and more up on a page equal faster speed and lower cost. But bigger isn't always better. More up on a page doesn't always add up to reduce cost and increase productivity. And fewer printed sheets don't always mean lower paper costs or less press time. In print manufacturing, there are lots of factors to consider when making a technology investment decision. So it's important to do the math, to calculate the total impact of a B2 digital press compared to a B3 production inkjet press. The Canon VarioPrint iX series is a B3 format sheet-fed inkjet press that offers a compelling business case. Let's explore. The first thing to consider is, what applications do you actually print? About 95% of all applications in mainstream commercial print use traditional paper sizes. While being able to print applications like posters or pocket folders on a B2 digital press may seem attractive, how much of your core business do these applications represent? Ask yourself, what finished format sizes do your customers request most often? Do any require mixed media? What type of run lengths and turn times are required? What type of finishing? And how does work typically flow through your shop? Do you need to send a wide variety of jobs to a print queue and have them rip and print without operator involvement? Flexibility matters. It's typical in a B2 workflow to gang or batch jobs that are running on the same media to avoid frequent palette changes or calibration. But the VarioPrint iX's imaging system needs calibrating only once on more than 500 evaluated papers. And it can seamlessly switch between media sizes and types from up to 12 input trays. That means you can fill the queue and print one job after another at full rated speed without stopping, even with mixed media. Printers are also conditioned to expect that the more images we print up on a sheet, the lower the cost. But the VarioPrint iX's B3 format goes against the grain. You can print on the sheet size closest to the job's finish size without negative impact to print speed or cost, plus significantly reduce paper waste and eliminate touches in bindery. Look at this 16-page brochure, for example. Printed on a B2 digital engine on B2 sheets, the brochure requires 4 offline fulfillment steps. And after trimming, only 63% of the B2 sheet size is used for printing, while the remaining 37% is waste. Now look at the same brochure printed with the VarioPrint iX B3 engine on 12 by 18 sheets. Just one inline connected finishing device feeds collated sheets, folds, stitches, and trims to finish. And 90% of the sheet size is used for printing, significantly reducing paper waste by nearly 75%. Little to no operator intervention from start to finish to lower labor costs and increase productivity and turnaround times. All of these advantages are supported by Canon's industry-leading reliability, including proactive maintenance and outstanding local service coverage. No wonder the iX series fleet reports average uptime over a 24-hour period at 94%, a big advantage compared to an average uptime of closer to 75% for most B2 digital engines. Although B2 digital presses offer a larger sheet, the VarioPrint iX is significantly faster in throughput. Test runs show it delivers up to 63% more 12 by 18 full-color equivalent sheets and up to 56% more 13 by 19 full-color equivalent sheets per hour. This translates to your shop producing more work per shift, a strong competitive advantage. So factoring in all these benefits, the Varioprint iX Series B3 sheet-fed inkjet press disproves the assumption that B2 digital presses are more productive and cost-efficient simply because the paper is bigger. As the printing industry moves from offset to digital, the B2 paradigm is also shifting, providing the impetus to recalculate and realize which press offers true value. Before you choose between a B2 and a B3 digital press, do the math. Let our team help. Call 1-877-623-4969.